Hi Stampers, this is Lynn Starzl, your Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator, and today we're going to be using the Sweet Songbirds bundle. We're going to make this card, which I cased from Stitchin with Sue. I think that's her YouTube channel. And this bundle comes with stamp set and punch. Will only be bundled price until the end of April, and then in the new catalog the punch will be separate and the price goes up $3 on the punch. So if you're interested in this bundle, you should get it now. Okay, so we will get started here. You have a card base that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then this is Sweet Sorbet, and it's 4 by 5 1/4. And then we have a piece that's 3 3/4 by 5. Okay, first we will stamp the branch in Early Espresso. I'm using a foam mat, excuse me, because this is a photopolymer set. And then we will stamp with Parakeet Party, and we'll do the leaves. And I will stamp and stamp off at the same time. I think I'm picking up some of my wet Early Espresso. Okay, and then we will brush some sky on. I'm going to use Balmy Blue and a blending brush. Okay. And then we will get our bird punched, and I stamped that in soft suede, and I use a strip that's 1 3/4 inches wide, and then I start punching from the left so that I get more punches out of my paper. If I started over here, then I would get all this punched out too. Okay, I'm going to have to cut some of this maybe. Well, I don't have my scissors here, so I should have stamped it farther down. Trying to do this with the camera. Hopefully I get it. Okay, now we have that piece, and we're going to stamp his eyes. And then I will color his beak. And then for the robin's belly, we will punch that. I have a strip again. Just slide it in glue. Make sure I get it on the right side. Okay, I got too much glue on there, so we will take some of it off. And our robin is done. For the nest, I stamped it on crumb cake with early espresso, and then I used a blending brush and went over it and fussy cut it. Okay, now for the birds, we're going to use the petal punch, which is the wing, but it kind of looks like a petal. And we're going to do 3 of those. Hopefully I can find them all. And they go flying. Okay, so we have those 3. Now I'm using pumpkin pie, and we're going to do the beak. And I'm just using a piece of scrap. Oh, that one didn't turn out. I guess I got it on a not so good area. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3. Let's see, we'll pick them out of there. Okay. Now, these will be the birds. And I'm going to add a dab of glue. And I should have had this on my silicone mat. Let's see if we can get them on there. Okay. And let's see. Now I'll use my take a pick tool, and we'll add the beaks to the glue. Okay. Now we will, whoops, my glue's not dry yet. You could probably use mini glue dots too. Okay, I'm scooting them together, and I'll add some more glue. And then I'll add the nest. Oh. Wow, that's a... Now you've got your 3 birds, and luckily the glue dries clear. And then I'll add dimensionals, which I forgot to grab, so pretend that they're on there. And we'll start assembling. First I will stamp here. We're going to place this here just for to see where everything will fit. And we need to stamp a little bird, told me. And then the musical notes. They're pretty chatty, so we're going to do twice. Okay, now we'll start assembling. Add that to the front. And let's see, where did my nest go? I think I'll just put it just right there. So I'll put that there, and then this will not be on dimensionals, and I'll just pop it behind. And then I would add my in colors, the matte decorative dots for the 2224 onto the front, and then your card is done. So I will have the measurements in a link below the video when I get this added to my blog. Happy stamping!